Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one new idiom, which is the apple of somebody's eye. This idiom is very common. Most probably it is used in many movies and in common conversation. Let's begin with the cue cards, because which type of cue cards are required this type of idiom that we will see first. Very first idiom is describe a person you know who is beautiful or handsome. Second is describe a person whom you admire the most. Third, describe a teenager you know. Fourth, describe the cutest child you know. Fifth, describe the most important person of your life. See here I have just given 5 cue cards, but there are lots of cue cards where you can use this idiom. Now let's see the meaning. The apple of somebody's eye means most favorite and precious person, or you can say most loved or admired above others. बहुत ज़्यादा आप किसी को प्यार करते हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा आप किसी की केयर कर रहे हैं, जो आपकी आँखों का तारा है, उसके लिए ये वर्ड यूज़ होता है. हिंदी में हम आँखों का तारा जिसको कहते हैं, सेम ये इंग्लिश. Here I have given 7 sentences as an example. Let's check on them. First, she has 3 children, but her youngest son is the apple of her eye. Next, my father loves all of us very much, yet my elder sister is the apple of his eye. Riddhi was charming little girl and a bright student, so she was the apple of her teacher's eye. Jeannie loves Pihu very much, she is the apple of her eye. The young couple had a beautiful little daughter, and she was the apple of their eyes. Mohit is the apple of my eye. I can't imagine my life without him. My niece is the apple of my eyes, as she is the youngest one in our family.